I got some snowblowers to fix.
SnoTek by Ariens.
Let's dig in.
The gas cap is cracked. This is made really short. See, it's all frayed right there.
It's gotta go!
No bueno, bro. Just gonna take a screwdriver, stick it in there. And then now I can cut this, feed a new line in, and I'm good to go. I've got a lot of string, a lot of pull on it now. The good juice. That tells us we have a fuel delivery problem. This carburetor needs to come off. Crusty bung, as I heard somebody say once. This is our float, and unscrew this. Lots of little holes in this guy. And this is our idle jet. So we pop this little guy out. We'll put this in for 10 minutes. Put it all back on.